From the shadows, I built a world of claws and chaos. Every nail, a dagger. Every set, a spell. This is for the ones who carve their own path. Chrome, cunty, chaotic. This is only the beginning. Say hey to your friends. So yeah, I've been working on something and today I'm ready to share it with y'all. But first let me do my intro. Hey, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Bam, and if you're returning, I love you, bitch. Y'all gotta create the other half of the heart with me, period. Thank y'all for being present with me, and I appreciate all my babies. So she keep messing with me while I'm trying to record, and she mad that I keep pushing her away. Like, girl, do not hiss at me. She know what she doing. But anyway, I can tell y'all the tea now. So I'm launching my own press-on nail brand. It's for the girls that want that bold, dark energy. And I basically made this brand for the punk, gothic, dark, Y2K, alternative, it girls, baddies. Like, this brand is basically for the girls, strictly for the girls. And today I'm taking y'all behind the scenes from the very first packages to the very first nail sets. Welcome to the beginning of KtrlKlawz. KtrlKlawz is for the bold ones, the dark rebels, Y2K girlies, and the punk princesses who stay ready to serve a look without wasting time in a salon chair, of course. We have fierce, edgy press-on nails that you can apply in under 10 minutes, literally. 10 minutes, y'all, and slay them for up to 2 weeks. Whether you're feeling chrome spikes or pastel drip, KtrlKlawz lets you switch it up and stay in full control. Honestly, I am so excited to start this brand, y'all. It's for the girls who really don't fit in, that's different, that don't live their life to people please or kiss ass. They doing what the fuck they want and don't give a fuck about what nobody got to say about them. These claws are for the girls who know their worth and don't shrink themselves down for anybody. And I just didn't want another press on nail brand. Like, everybody got a press on nail brand. Like, I want a lifestyle. A reminder that you can look like that girl without wasting time in a salon or breaking the bank. I want my brand to inspire you to switch it up as you please and never wait for permission to feel like that bitch. Okay? And I'm so grateful that y'all are here at the very beginning of this journey with me. I cannot wait to show y'all everything that's coming, and trust me, this shit is just the beginning. The weapons of KtrlKlawz have arrived. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna just put this box right here next to me on the floor so I can pull everything out for y'all to show y'all what I got. Press on nail glue, strong enough to survive anything. Claw buffers and files, tools to sharpen your claws to perfection. Alcohol pads, cuticle pushers, the little details that make all the difference. Cuticle oils to keep your claws nourished. Claw cleaner to brush away what no longer serves you. Spooky stickers to decorate or dominate. And then the packaging. You've seen the vision. Now it's time for a little taste of what's coming. KtrlKlawz was made for the ones who move through the world like a storm. The dark rebels, the cunty queens, the alt angels who loves to stand out. The claws are sharp, our time is precious. Press them on, transform in minutes, and command every room you enter. This isn't just beauty, it's control. Welcome to KtrlKlawz, where your next era begins at your fingertips. This is only the beginning, y'all, and I'm so hyped to take y'all along with me on this journey. I'm gonna share everything with y'all. The wins, the falls, the glow ups, the moments where we figure it out together, period. So, with that being said, if you're ready to ride with me till the wheels fall off and see KtrlKlawz in full effect, be sure to hit that subscribe button for me. Talk to me in the comments too, y'all. Hype your girl up. Drag me if I fumble. We're doing this together. And make sure you stay tuned. In the next video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I'm putting together my very first collection for KtrlKlawz. I'm going to be showing the full collection, designs, claw names, and everything, y'all. Turn the post notifications on so y'all won't miss it. I think I said everything that I needed to say in this video, so okay, bye. Love you, bitches. Mwah.